you gonna hit me? Okay. I'm just washing Jackson's diapers and wipes. Jackson's in his jumper. Yeah. Jumping away. And I've been cleaning. So now I'm gonna go do the dishes because they need to be done. And let's see. It is raining, but I don't think you can see it. I'm not gonna show you the dishes. So yeah, I'm gonna do the dishes right now. Try to clean up. Maybe that'll make me feel a little bit better. So Jackson woke up. He didn't nap for very long, maybe like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I was just chilling. What are you doing? So we're just chilling. I don't know what to do. I probably should have taken a nap with Jackson. Jackson! Baby. I'm snorting. Trav's home.
What?
I said Trav's home. Jackson. You tired? We're getting ready to go to Walmart. Say we're going Walmart. Getting ready to go. Can't even tell.
Leaving wearing this.
We're just leaving Walmart, and when we walked into the Walmart, it was muggy and hot, and the sun was out a little bit. We walk out of the Walmart, and it's like
Hence what I'm wearing.
storming rain.
That's how hot it was. What I was wearing right now is okay weather.
Yeah, he was wearing that, and it was nice weather, and now it's like storming rain. It's like wet everywhere. My feet are soaked. I can't get a good video of it, but it's like hella raining.
Because of the wind chill.
Yeah, it's crazy right now. Huh, Jack? You're so cute.
And that never happened. And then one of the guys was like, "See, I already know it's a lie because Sean Kingston isn't the one that hits women."
Wow, that's funny. We're home now. Jack, look it. Jackson's asleep, taking a nap. We're gonna eat some food and we're gonna watch a movie. Well, the movie we're gonna watch is The Call with Halle Berry. I'll let you know what I think of it when we're done. So, just got done watching that movie. That movie was I liked it. It was pretty cool. It was like intense, and some parts were scary. But now we're just being bored because we don't have any cable. So,
Hey, Jack,
Jackson,
what are you doing?
Daddy's tired. Jackson's climbing all on him. I'm gonna finish washing these really quick and then be done. Give these one more rinse and then they're done. You gotta come in, baby. Don't try to stand up there. Hi. It's hot in here. You want to close it? Jackson. What are you doing? You following me? So I just gave Jackson a bath and tried to put him down to bed, but he's not tired right now. Maybe he'd be tired in a little bit. I'm going to try and edit some of this video that I'm doing right now. And then tomorrow, well, I'll probably go to Barnes & Noble and upload. He's grinding his teeth. His top tooth is coming in. It's like out of the gums. And he grinds the tops and the bottoms. And he makes that noise. That's just really weird. He like grinds his teeth. I don't know why he's doing that.